My name is Dan.
And I'm Cheryl, and we're the owners of SuckleBusters.
SuckleBusters is a barbecue rub and sauce company based in Coppell, Texas. It's a family-run business. Our family came to Texas back in the mid-1800s and settled in St. Augustine, which is the first permanent settlement in Texas. And we've always had barbecue as a part of our family. We had lots of recipes through the years, and it really started for me back when I was a little kid. I just enjoyed eating barbecue. Then as I went on and grew up and went to college, I always cooked for my friends. And then as we began our family, I cooked for family. And I always had that secret recipe of rub in the cabinet.
Back in 2006, we were trying to get our family healthier, and we went to the grocery store and went down the spice aisle and noticed how many seasonings had artificial flavors and preservatives and fillers and MSG, which is one of the ingredients we wanted to stay away from. So I looked at him one day and I said, "You're such a good cook, why don't you bottle up your spices and put a label on it and let's sell them?"
At that time, I was working for IBM as a sales executive, so we started SuckleBusters part-time.
Demand just kept growing and our company kept growing, and we've been very blessed with our success.
So this year we brainstormed how we could share our success, and we started a private label program. Josh, our son's going to run the program for us.
We find the businesses that work best with our private labeling program are mom and pop shops, butcher shops, restaurants, any small boutiques, or any small businesses mainly. And we just take the success of SuckleBusters and put it in your hands.
We're now available in over 7,500 stores in 15 different countries.
If you want to take your small business to the next level, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to help out and help share that success story we've had with you.
You can also find our products online at Amazon and on our website, SuckleBusters.com.
You can also find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at SuckleBusters.
We are so honored to be voted official Best of Texas for 2023.